Welcome to Wiki General. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to edit Instagram story. Before starting a video, if you are the new user on our channel, please subscribe to our channel. So without wasting your time, let's go toward the video. To edit Instagram story, first we will upload a story in front of you and show you that how it is edited. Go to your profile and then click on the plus icon, then click on the story. Select any of the photos or video from your gallery to share it as a story. So I select this one, and so now these are the steps to edit. Click on the AA if you want to add some uh, words or some writing. So let I write is a subscribe, and these are the styles in which style you want to show on the your story. So let's click on the done. Once you select the style and edit it where you want to show, click on the sticker if you want to use more option. So go to the sticker. So there are multiple options. If you want to add a location, click on the location at the first. So select the location which you want to share on your story, and the same way again click on the sticker if you want to use more. So the next one is the mention. If you want to mention your friend here, so type the name of your friend here. Let I select this one and fit it on my story. And the same way, let I ask a question from my viewers. So these are the portion of asking a question. So that is, let I type it, how are you doing, and fix it and a story. So and then next if I want to ask a poll, so and I am asking that you are me or something else which you want to type in your poll. So click and done and fix on your story. So these are the short steps to edit a story. And you see, if you want to draw on your story writing with your hands, so use this option. So these are the steps to edit a Instagram story. If this video is informative for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. If you have any comment related to Instagram story, leave a comment and you will get a quick response. Thanks for watching.